ripened, feeds the hungry souls that toil and sweat. They gather to give thanks and praise for wealth and peace, repay the debt. I make for them a bounty to reward the pains of honest men. Ask only Pavel of faith in planting seeds to sprout again. My sister joins the happy throng to dance and sing with all who care, to lie with her in soft repose, go diadem in golden hair. Sounds of combine wheezing on the top fields by the lane, which winds down rutty tracks to sleepy pines that try for the grain. Farmer eyes fixed on the headlands, dazzled by the dipping sun, which lights the corners of their eyes. The farmer's wife, Elias one.